Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to explore the letter S. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the letter S. It's a special letter because it curves and twists, kind of like a slithering snake or a winding path. Can you say S? Now let's make our letter S even more fun by coloring it. Today we're using a bright green crayon. Grab your crayons and let's make the letter S look fantastic. Great job! The letter S looks wonderful in green. Now let's discover a fun word that starts with S. Here's a shining word. Star, stars sparkle in the night sky, and start with the letter S. Let's color our star friend with a bright yellow crayon. Ready to make it shine? Wow, look at that star shining bright in yellow. And check out our letter S, all colored in green. Isn't it amazing? You did an awesome job today. We learned that the letter S has a fun curve and twist. And we colored a sparkling star that starts with S. You did amazing with your coloring. Keep practicing your letters and have fun with your colors. Thanks for joining us on this stellar adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter S and coloring our star. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.